Good morning students, welcome. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav and this is my new video, class 4th computer, and chapter name is chapter 3, more about MS Word, and today's topic is editing in MS Word, that is given on page number 38. And in this we have to see the deleting text, inserting text in a document, performing cut, copy, paste operations, that is given on your book page number 38, 39, and some topic is also given on page number 40. So we start. Editing in text. We make many mistakes while typing in MS Word. Correcting these mistakes and mailing the document error free is called editing. Students, when we typing in MS Word, then while typing there is a general mistakes will make. Okay, so correcting these mistakes is known as the editing. Correcting these mistakes and make our document error free, this is called editing. Editing means making corrections and changes to a document to make it error free and easy to understand. Okay, when there is any spelling mistakes, any corrections, any grammatical mistakes is there, and anyone read your document, then they cannot understand. So we have to first edit the text. How? The editing means making corrections and changes to a document to make it error free and easy to understand. Adding and deleting text, correcting spellings, grammatical errors are some of the things that we commonly do while editing a document. In editing we have to add any text. If we want to, then we have to delete any text, correct spellings, correct the grammatical errors. These are the some things that we commonly do while editing in a document. So deleting a text. First is we can delete text from a document simply by using the delete and backspace keys of the keyboard. The steps to do so are as follows. First, to delete a character, place the cursor to the left of that character and press the delete key, or place the cursor to the right of the direction and press the backspace key. Second, to delete a word, sentence, paragraph or entire text in a document, first select it and then press the delete key. The appropriate text will get deleted. So I tell you any character, if I am typing something for you and I will show you how we can delete. I will open the Microsoft Office Word. This is the Microsoft Office, this is the Microsoft Word. Okay, and here I type something for you and I want to show you the deletion. If I want to I want to delete, then how we sorry students. So how we can delete? I have moved my cursor. If I want to delete that R, then place the cursor and I have a backspace key, and this is the delete key. Backspace key, this is the backspace key, and delete key. So if I want to delete the R, so I have to press the backspace key. Okay, and if I want to delete the E, then I have to press the delete key. Okay, that E will be deleted. This is the way how you can delete a single character. Okay, then you use the deletion key like delete key or backspace key. If I want to delete a word or sentences, if I want to myself that word I want to delete, then first we have to select by mouse. I am selecting this and then press the delete key. First you select the word, particular word which you want to delete, and then press the delete key, and I am pressing the delete key. The word will go on. Okay, so this is the way. If you want to delete any other whole line, then select that line. I will select it and press the delete key. I am pressing the delete key and that line will be get deleted. Okay, this is the way you can delete. First you select a particular word, sentence or paragraph and press the delete key. Now inserting text in a document. Inserting text means to add text at any position in between an already typed text. The steps to insert text are as follows. Inserting text means to add text at any position in between an already typed text. Okay, if you want to add any word on between the already typed text, then you use the inserting text. How you can insert? If the first is the position the cursor to the right of the character where you want to insert the text. Okay, or type out the required text. As you type the text, the existing text shift to the right. Okay, here is the cursor is here blinking, students, along with, and I want to insert some word before the with. Then if I want to here type computer, then you will see the cursor shift to the right. Okay, is anything if I want type here, then this is known as a inserting the text. This is known as a inserting the text. If you want to insert any text, place the cursor. If you want to insert any text, then place the cursor where you want. If you want here, then place the cursor and type which you want. Okay, so this is the way of inserting the text. Okay, students, so this is easy. Now performing cut, copy, paste operations. The cut, copy and paste operations are used for performing the cut, copy and paste operations. A cut or copy operations is always followed by a paste operation. If you cut any text, then you have to must paste it anywhere. If you copy a text, then you have must to paste the text anywhere. Okay, so moving text using the cut paste operations. Moving a piece of text means to cut a piece of text from one location and paste it at another location. The cut and paste operations are used for moving the text. The steps to do so are: select the text to be cut, click on the home tab. In the clipboard group, click on the cut button. Take the cursor to a required position and click on the paste button. The cut text will appear at the cursor's position. To get rid of the pasting option box that appears on use of the paste button, double click anywhere on the empty document area. Students, remember, the clipboard is an area in the computer's memory where the cut or copied data is placed temporarily. Move or copy it elsewhere. You can use the Ctrl+X key to cut the text and Ctrl+V keys to paste the text. So I will show you cut and paste. Moving the data. Students, if that word creativity, I want to that word cut and paste here between the electronic machine. Okay, then how you can? First you select that text. Okay, select the text and click on that cut option. That is here is a cut option. First you select the particular word which you want to cut and then click on that cut option. Then I have clicked cut option, and where you want to place? Here. Then place the cursor. If I want to place that word between the electronic machine, then I have to place the cursor here, and then you have to click on the paste. Click on the paste. Then show that word came between electronic machine, the word creativity come. This is known as a cut paste, and from here the word will cut. There is not any word. If I want to show you again, here is a myself word. I want to cut that myself word. Okay, first you select and then you have to cut. Click on that cut, and from here that word will be cut. And where you want to paste, if I want to paste the with, here I want to paste, then I have to click on that paste. That will come with myself. Okay, this is the cut paste option. And from keyboard you also uses this Ctrl+X and Ctrl+V. Okay, that the copying text using the copy paste operations. To copy a selected piece of text means to place a copy of it at another place while keeping it also at its original place. The copy operation does not affect the original text that remains at its position in the document. The steps to use the copy paste options are given below. select the required text, then click on the home copy button in the clipboard group of the home tab. Take the cursor to a desired position and click on the paste button. The copied text will appear at the cursor positions. You can use the Ctrl+C keys to copy the text and Ctrl+V to paste it at a required position. If you want to copy a text, then you have to select any. If I want to copy that, then first I select, okay, and then here is a copy option. I have to select copy, and where you want to, if you want to paste it here, then click here and then again click paste. Then look, created along that came here. Okay, this is the copy option. If I want to select that prove, that word select and copy and paste. If you want to paste at last, then click here and paste. Then so look here, that will come. Okay students, this is the way you can copy or paste. Okay, so all of you practice it at your home. I think all of you also understand. If you have any problem, then message me. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.